Hello, awesome people out there. Hope you are doing great. I'm Vikas Tiwari and welcome to Programmers Mode. In this video, we are going to explore about some very helpful resources that can help you to enhance your CSS skills, that too for free. So let's dive straight into it and get started. For today, that is all. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, do subscribe and share with your mates. We will meet again with an interesting topic. Until then, take care and thanks for listening.